This battery can run a 12-volt fridge or start up my EcoDiesel Jeep without skipping a beat. This Ohmmu H5 Sodium-Ion battery is going to replace this heavy AGM battery in my X-Venture XV3 off-road trailer. This battery might be just the best battery to replace all the lithium and AGM batteries that Overlanders are using in their off-road rigs, campers, and trailers. Sodium-ion batteries have huge advantages over AGM batteries, and I'll be swapping out my old heavy AGM battery for this new Ohmmu H5. I actually got this battery for free. Yes, I said free, but I am absolutely not sponsored by Ohmmu Battery. I actually won this battery in a raffle at Overland Expo West up in Flagstaff, Arizona. The very next day, I went over to their booth at the expo and I got the rest of the story on this new battery technology. Right now, the electrical system that came on my X-Venture XV3 trailer, it works great for running basic LED lights or charging my camera gear, but it is 5 years old and it's time for an upgrade. I'm going to be moving away from using my trusty Orca cooler on my overlanding trips to using a 12-volt fridge, so having a rock-solid battery and charging system is on the top of my radar. On this X-Venture XV3 off-road trailer, the battery and charging system is located inside this big toolbox, and I could have dropped this Ohmmu battery right in and it would have been perfectly compatible with the components I already have. But since I got this Ohmmu battery, I decided to use it to update my electrical and solar power charging system here on the trailer. So why sodium ion? First off, it's incredibly lightweight. That Saturday night at the Overland Expo, it was loud, and I heard the number on my ticket, but I had no idea what I had won. When I went up to claim my prize, and the man handed me a box and told me I won a battery, I went, what? After a lifetime of lugging, removing, and installing heavy automotive batteries, I found it very hard to believe. Let's compare these batteries on the suitcase scale. So there's the AGM battery. 41 pounds, 14 ounces. That's pretty heavy. Now we'll see how much this Ohmmu H5 sodium battery weighs. 12 pounds, 2 ounces. So you can see there's a massive difference in weight between the sodium battery and the AGM. Believe it or not, this lightweight battery has 1200 cold cranking amps. That's as much as the massive batteries on my two Jeep EcoDiesels. Second reason, the components for building these batteries are in massive supply. No foreign country can hold us over a barrel, making us beg for rare earth minerals to make batteries. Lithium batteries rely on heavily mined, expensive rare earth minerals. On the other hand, sodium batteries are made from highly abundant elements like aluminum and salt. So even though this battery is made in China, it's the most patriotic battery that you can buy. What really makes this Ohmmu battery stand out for Overlanders is it's a true dual-purpose battery. It's an absolute powerhouse for deep storage, letting you drain it down all the way without damaging any of the cells like you would in an AGM battery. And that's exactly what I'm going to need for powering my 12-volt fridge. And like I mentioned, it packs massive cold cranking amps. I could literally take this battery out of my trailer and take it over to my Jeep EcoDiesel and use it to crank over that motor. And if you're considering getting one of these batteries for your own rig or your own overlanding setup, and you're wondering, wow, I got to change everything like he's doing. No, you don't. This battery is fully compatible with all 12-volt systems. It has a built-in battery management system that allows you to drop it right into your current setup. Plus, unlike traditional lithium batteries, this battery chemistry is incredibly stable. It will not catch fire and burn your rig to the ground. And it also won't lose its mind in desert heat. This sodium battery is just step one. I'm breaking this build into two parts. In my next video, I'll be installing all these parts in my X-Venture XV3 trailer. The Ohmmu battery is going to be the foundation for the new system. I'll be installing this solar smart charger, which will help my solar panel become more efficient. I'll be installing this new battery charger to replace the old one, and I'm adding this smart shunt battery monitor, which will help me let me know exactly how many amps are going in and out of the system at any time. If you want to find out more about this sodium battery, I'll have a link in the description with a nice discount code if you want to purchase one. I did win this battery for free at Overland Expo West, but the rest of this gear I purchased with my own money, and it's going to be interesting to try it all out and see how it all works together. And I will have links in the description for all this gear, and using those links is a great way to support the channel at no extra charge to you. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss part 2, where we install and wire up all this gear. Hit that thumbs up button, get out there, hit the trail, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, on Muddy Rutz, the best is yet to come.